Hello, in this video we will be going over the difference between the decimal numbering system and the binary numbering system. Let's first start with the decimal numbering system. Decimal numbering system it's a way to represent all possible numbers, and it does so by using 10 symbols. 10 symbols, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. In order to generate numbers, you take these symbols and multiply them by powers of 10. So for example, if we have 120, what you technically do with the system is you multiply each of the digits, preferably from right to left, by powers of 10. So this is 0 times 10 raised to the 0th power. This is 2 times 10 raised to the first power. This is 1, digit 1, times 10 raised to the second power. If we evaluate all of these multiplication operations, we get 10 raised to the 0th power is 1 times 0, we get 0. 10 raised to the first power is itself, times 2 is 20. This is 10 multiplied with itself, so it's 100, times 1, we get 100. And then we just add all these things together, we arrive at 120. So the binary numbering system is different in that it only uses two symbols. You only use zeros and ones. Those are the only two symbols that you can use, and you kind of have to multiply each of the symbols by powers of 2. So 2 raised to the n, 2 raised to the n. Multiply each of the symbols by powers of 2 to generate numbers. So for example, if you have 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, we kind of do the same thing where we multiply each of these by powers of 10. See how that works out. 0 times 2 raised to the 0th power. This is 0 times 2 raised to the first. 0, the third 0 from the right. 0 times 2 raised to the second. This is 1 times 2 raised to the third. 1 times 2 raised to the fourth. 1 times 2 raised to the fifth. And 1 times 2 raised to the sixth. If we evaluate this, of course, this is still 0 because 0 times any number is 0. Same with these guys. This, however, is 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. This is 16. This is 32. This is 64. And we get the sum of them. What's the sum? 32. 32, 8 is 40. 64, 16 is 80. So we also get 120. There, that's basically their difference. Notice that these two numbers are equivalent, so we can say that the equivalent binary representation of 120 is actually this one. In the next video, we will be going over how you can convert binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.